Alright, this is the recording for how to make tabs on the side of your tower piece. So first of all, you want to talk with your neighbor, your teammate, your partner, and know that you have 10 vertical inches to work with. So you want to figure out some increment of 10 typically that you could divvy it up to determine how many tabs you'll have for the interlocking pieces. For example, you might have 5 2-inch tabs, or you might have 10 1-inch tabs, or 20 half-inch tabs. So we're going to put a sketch on the front face. I'm going to go to rectangle, and I'm going to put a tab on here, and you get to decide how much it's going to be. I'll just go ahead and put a 1/2 inch. Yours might be more or less than that, and I'll just go ahead and make mine 1 inch tall. Again, yours might be more or less than that. And I'm going to take that tab, and I'm going to go ahead and extrude it. Now I want to look right at it, because if you look here, it's going to bring it forward, and you switch the direction so it actually goes backwards. And now I have a tab. Now I can go to rectangular pattern, and I can select that tab as the feature, and then I'll go to direction, and I'll select a vertical line. And now because it's going to be a 1-inch tab, I need a 1-inch space below it, so my actual spacing for this pattern is going to be 2 inches. So that it's where I need it, and I'm going to have 5 of them total. When I hit OK, I now have tabs down the side. Now because you and your partners probably took the 22 linear inches that you get to use and divided it by the number of sides you have, we need to be careful here, because we just added 1/2 inch of material here. If I add a 1/2 inch of material on the other side, I'm really using material that I don't actually have. So what most groups will do is we added tabs on one side, and now what we're going to do is subtract tabs from the other side. So we'll go 1 inch tall, and we'll go 1/2 inch wide, and this time we'll go to 3D model extrude, and I'll select that little rectangle, and I'm going to cut it out and say OK. And then I'll go to rectangular pattern, select that cutout as my feature. The direction is going to go vertically down, spacing of 2 inches, and occurrences of 5. And you end up with something like that.